These Mediterranean roasted vegetables are as beautiful as they are delicious.
Top it with some Italian parsley and feta cheese for the perfect dish.
Just amazing and delicious any time of the year.
Every bite is a cornucopia of flavor.
Cornucopia.
I love using the word
I do too. We don't get to
cornucopia.
use it near enough, but it is true. I mean, look at this.
That is a cornucopia.
It is a cornucopia of color, of flavor, of
So
perfection.
good.
So let's.
And yeah, speaking of flavor, we are making this amazing oil drizzle that goes all over it.
Dressing.
And we're using these spices. We're partnering with Maison Gabrielle, and these spices are absolutely amazing.
They're out of Paris,
Yes.
and they are next level.
Yes, and we're giving all of our people that watch this and who want to use it 10% off. We've got a code, howtofeedaloon.com. It's maisongabriellefrance.com, and the code is howtofeedaloon. How to feed a loon.
How to feed a loon.
10% off, people. They've got seasonal boxes, which are awesome, which is what this is.
So beautiful.
It's so good.
They're great for the home cook. They're great for gifts. I mean, the holidays
Gifts.
are coming up. Gifts are just.
They have a
incredible.
holiday season box that you might want to look at. So
Yeah.
anyway, sorry, let's get started on this. Now that is
That is
olive
a quarter
oil.
cup of olive oil.
Got it. And I'm going to throw in some salt. I've got about a teaspoon of salt.
That's a heaping
That's a
teaspoon.
I like my salt.
I know.
And then a half a teaspoon of pepper. And then we're going to use these. Oh, gosh, this is sumac. Y'all, this has
Sumac is very common in Middle Eastern cooking, in like North Africa, Lebanese, and it's also very commonly used in Mediterranean.
I'm going to use it.
I haven't cooked with it a lot, but it's got
at that
this
color.
tangy, lemony flavor. It doesn't look like lemony.
No, but it is so
the
good.
flavor is so good.
I'm going to use about a teaspoon and a half of
You can just see the quality
that.
of these herbs and these spices.
so good.
I always encourage people to cook with fresh herbs unless they're this good. There are certain dishes like this that just work great with dried
Look at
herbs.
this rosemary. I got a teaspoon.
Look at that rosemary.
A heaping teaspoon of
They
rosemary.
don't even look, they look real. I mean, not real,
So
not
good.
dry.
And these tins, you
know.
could totally use them for other things.
This box, isn't this box, and it tucks away nightly.
Here, I didn't show the
nicely.
box. Show the box real quick. And then I've got a
am I
teaspoon
showing this?
right here. There you go. Here it is. Right there.
Isn't that beautiful?
There we go. And then I got a teaspoon at a time. Oh, y'all. All right. I'm going to mix these together. Chris, get rid of those vegetables.
Okay. Oh, okay. He's giving orders, so look out. I'm mesmerized by these spices.
Wow. You guys, I wish you could smell this.
It is really incredible. So let's talk. We're going to roast these, and we're doing these in stages because some are more dense than others. I mean, the main thing we want is I love these have potatoes. These right here, this is a pound and a half of baby red potatoes. We love when we roast our potatoes, we love for them to be crispy.
Yes.
So to help them get crispy, you don't have to do this, but what I did was I split these in half and then I put them in boiling water, brought it back to a boil for about 6 minutes. It just softens them up a little bit. And then I let them just air dry on a baking sheet with some paper towels. And it helps with the moisture
get crisper.
and it helps them get a little crispier.
Yes.
You don't have to do that. You could skip that. So now, oh, this is amazing.
Yeah,
So now we're going to coat as we go. So I'm going to do a good heaping of this, maybe about half of that. Okay.
Hey.
Normally, if I weren't in front of all of our friends here, I just do
Just
this.
use your hand.
I do this with my hands. I know. I should be. I don't know why I'm not.
That's okay.
But wait to get these nice and coated, and then we're going to. We got to get the biggest baking sheet that you've got,
Yes.
or probably even better would be
Use
to use two, because you really do not want to crowd them. The key to getting these nice and crisp is to let them be on their own. If they're crowding each other, then they'll end up steaming each other, and they don't get as crispy.
Yeah.
So we've
look
got
at
a
that.
nice hot oven at 425 that we've preheated, and we're going to just put these in for 15 minutes, and then we just keep building as we go. Okay. Oh, the smell already. I mean,
That rosemary and thyme just,
it's
just
sumac. I know. It's
Yes.
So, okay, you can
The
see
aromas.
these is fantastic. So now you can see that these are starting to crisp, and that's lovely. And so we're going
that,
to,
y'all.
yeah, you go ahead and do the carrots,
Yes.
and I'll kind of get these. Then you want to just sort of move them around, flip them if you can.
Yes. So real quick.
Did I mention that we put parchment paper down?
Well, it's obvious.
Well, we have parchment paper.
And these carrots we cut at an angle just to make them just give a little more like width to them, some more girth.
You kind of want strive to have your vegetables to be fairly close in size. It's kind of hard for all of them, but just cutting them on the diagonal like that, like you said, gives them a little more, and cut them about, you can cut them pretty thick because as they roast, they will shrink down a little bit.
And I'm going to use about a teaspoon, or no, that's a tablespoon. Tablespoon of that, just mix it up. I'm going to use my hands, y'all.
Oh dear.
Yes, watch out.
Okay, it's a party.
Watch out.
So those are obviously, those are the carrots. Those are we're gonna add those to the party.
Yes, there we go.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Okay, now let's just distribute them evenly.
Yeah, there we go.
And again, try your best not to have them stacked on top of each other. As we add more and more, that becomes almost impossible. But these potatoes will stay nice and crisp if you can keep them in a single row.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I'm messy.
You're messy. That's an understatement.
Yes.
Now we're going to put this back in that nice hot oven for just 10 minutes, and if I can get these things on, and then we keep building the flavors.
Yes.
Open that for me.
I'm so excited.
Okay, party continues.
Yeah.
We just keep adding.
Oh, that's a great.
Yeah, they do.
Look at those potatoes.
Yeah,
and we're getting further along each time.
And the carrots are looking good. I know.
Wow.
This has become one of my favorite things to make.
Gorgeous.
It's just so gorgeous and so beautiful. So go ahead.
All right, I'm going to get the other stuff here ready. I've got a medium-sized zucchini. We just cut it into those cute little slices.
Little half moons, yeah.
Then I've got a yellow bell pepper.
That we seeded and cut into just kind of like bite-sized pieces.
Same with red bell pepper.
Yeah.
And then a whole red onion.
Try to find like a medium red onion and cut it into wedges.
Yeah. And I'm going to try not to mix it that much because, I mean, I don't want those to fall apart. They look good.
If they do fall apart a little bit, it's
I'm going
okay.
to use probably the rest of
Probably.
this.
We'll see how it goes.
Yes, here we
And
go.
if you want to use a good, healthy couple tablespoons, if you want to leave a little bit to drizzle on here at the end, that's fine.
Oh, I said I was going to. I got too messy, so I decided to
He
use
changed his mind on using his hands.
Look at that, you guys.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That is great.
Oh, wow. I am dying.
I know.
All of these vegetables. Now, can you use different vegetables?
Yes, you can use whatever vegetables you have, what you want to use.
Okay.
I mean, we're using pretty much all of them. I think of it. No, there's plenty. You could use acorn squash.
Oh,
you could use a butternut squash. These are very, I don't know, Mediterranean. But just like I said before, just make sure that you consider if like the zucchini and the bell peppers, they're lighter weight vegetables, so they don't take as long to roast. Now here's when we're starting to kind of pile things up, but that's okay. We're getting close to being close. So
look at that. Do you want to do a little more olive oil or?
No, we'll do some olive oil when we come back for the one last round. Okay. So I'm going to put these back in the oven.
Y'all.
I know.
Yay!
It's coming. I put these things back on. They fight me.
You can just use one. Oh, it's heavy.
And then we're going to let this go in for. You want to go for about another 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to let it go 10 minutes, and then we're going to come back and put the rest in, and then it's almost done. The finishing touch. Okay, all right. The smell just keeps getting better. We'll go back and forth, and it just. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Those are gorgeous.
And you smell that onion now is starting to caramelize a little bit.
Look at that.
Bell peppers are delicious. So we are so close, folks. Now we're going to add, we've got a cup of multicolored cherry tomatoes. These are going to get so flavorful.
And I've got some green olives.
So we're going to do, we like to add a cup of olives. We do half a cup of Spanish green olives and half of Kalamata olives.
Yeah, and I have like a drizzle of this.
If you got a little of that left, just drizzle it on in there.
There we go. Oh.
And you see what's great is these potatoes are still staying nice and crisp.
Do we want to add a little more?
Yeah, we're going to do that right before
we put it back in.
Yeah, just toss it so everything gets equally coated. And now, it's okay if they're stacking a little bit because we are almost done.
There. Oh, and these tomatoes just get to that point where they burst in your mouth.
Yeah. So I've got just a little splash of olive oil. You can you know, if you don't have one of these contraptions, don't worry about it. Just, you know, drizzle some with a spoon.
I love it.
Okay, now it's gonna go back in the oven just for 10 more minutes, and then we're gonna garnish it and eat it.
Yes.
It's time.
It is time.
Yay.
Oh.
Call in the family.
Oh, that
so
is
beautiful. Oh, you want to close up?
wow. Yep, I got it.
Isn't that just beautiful? Look at that. I mean, that is a party.
Unbelievable.
That is Mediterranean through and through.
Oh.
Okay, now we're gonna, this should be entertaining.
Yeah.
We're gonna transfer this. This makes it, as you can see, a good heaping amount. So it feeds, this is wonderful to serve at like a dinner party.
Here we go. We're going in. I'm gonna try and get them all going one way.
Yeah, yeah.
There we go.
Oh, we got a stray.
Oh, we got a stray.
A stray tomato.
Okay, here we go. Oh, another stray. There we go.
There we go. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Wow. And oh, just everything.
Wow. Okay.
Just do a little of that.
Yeah, don't forget about that. I'm gonna throw that tomato back in there. Clean surface.
Yeah.
Clean surface. There we go.
There you go. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is like something
Look
you would see at like a really
that.
awesome like Mediterranean restaurant. Now the rest of this, these garnishes are optional, but I think it just adds to the flavor. So this is some fresh lemon. You can do a whole lemon or half lemon. This is juicy lemon, so I'm just gonna do half. Then we've got some chopped Italian parsley for a little added flavor and definitely gives a little beautiful pop of color.
Yeah.
And feta cheese. I mean, how can you go wrong with feta cheese? This really brightens it up. I know, isn't that gorgeous?
You guys.
I know.
You guys.
And then we've got some, I love the addition of some coarse sea salt. You don't have to go crazy with this, but it
I
gives
love a little extra
a little
salt there.
extra, yeah. And then
And then a little bit of crushed black pepper. There we go. That is a masterpiece.
telling you, bring this tableside and your guests are going to be impressed.
Wow, that is unbelievable.
And then wait till they eat it. Okay.
So come on over here.
Let's
spoon me up some.
This is easy to do.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. And it's just beautiful.
Oh, look.
The flavors of the
Colors.
Mediterranean.
That's wonderful, Chris. All right.
This is so, it's so great. You can really serve this as a side dish. I mean, it's so wonderful and chock full of everything. You could serve it as an entree if you really are wanting to be healthy.
Wonderful. All right, here, hold on. Oops. Now, let's add a little more
Add a little more of
feta.
feta, yeah.
I like my feta.
I know you do.
There we go. Guys, that is gorgeous. Look at that. Wonderful. You?
Yes, please.
Okay. Oops. Come back here, feta. There we go. Look at that.
Gorgeous.
Oh, okay.
I know.
Yay. All right.
It's like you want to get everything.
I want to get all of them.
Get all of it, but it's impossible.
I don't know about that.
Well, that's true. You
I'll try.
you will give it your best shot.
I've got everything going on.
One of my favorite things are these carrots. It's just so, it brings out the sweetness of the carrots.
Okay. I gotta blow on this.
You going in?
Uh-huh.
How these humble vegetables can just transform into something so sophisticated and delicious.
That is amazing. A little hot too.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, you guys.
I also, well, I'm gonna wait.
I can't tell you how much I love this.
I know.
I love this so much. This is what I want for Thanksgiving. I think so.
It's great. And the herbs.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Don't forget about these spices. Oh, these guys are wonderful. Gabrielle, Maison Gabrielle, 10% off.
It's something that you will not regret.
It's gift-giving season, so.
I love these tomatoes. Once they cook, they explode of flavor.
I know. But they're hot. They're a little hot. Oh, y'all.
All right, let's get down to business.
This is 1,000,000% lunar proof.
Yes, 1,000,000%. Veggies are 1,000,000%. All right, you guys.
It's potatoes. I love my potatoes.
Potatoes and veggies, I know, and delicious herbs. All right, we love you so much. Make roasted vegetables, and you will not regret it.
Exactly.
Bye, everybody.